Hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about text function in MS Excel. Okay. So see here, I have already made one table here. So here the text functions are trim, upper, lower, proper, length. Okay, these are the basic text function, and I have already made this table and I have already entered the values, and the other text function also I will show today: left, right, middle, then concatenate, then find, replace. These are the advanced text function in MS Excel. Okay, so first I am going to the table 1. See, this is the table 1. So here the first column is, see, name. Okay, name is the first column, and here see the text are given here, but the text is not written in a proper way. Okay, see, there is a space between the text, but lots of space between the name and the surname, and here see the before the first name there are lots of space, and here also. So the words are, means the names are not written in a proper way. So trim is a text function where it will give you the proper output. Okay, so see here, and one more thing is there, space is also taken as a character. Okay, so it will also calculate as a character. So for trim function I have to write as a simple function, first equal, then simply you have to write trim, then text. I have to select the text. Okay, and then enter. See here, now this is the proper space. Okay, now we have to just drag the line. See, all the text is displayed in a proper manner. Okay, so this is all about trim function. Okay, so next function is upper. Upper function is a function where it will give all the character as a upper way. Okay, wait, I am giving you. So see here, I have to use the function as equal, then upper. It will give all the letter, means alphabet of the word as a uppercase. Uppercase means capital letter. Okay, so upper, then you have to select the text. I am selecting this text, then enter. See, this is already in uppercase, so it is give all the uppercase letter. Okay, next one is lowercase. So you know all, lowercase means the letter will display in a small letter. Small letter means lowercase. Okay, so for this you have to use the formula as lower. So lower, then select the text. I am selecting this text. Okay, and then enter. See here, it will give the answer as a lowercase, means small letter. Okay, then I have to drag the whole, and see, it will give all the name as a lower character. Okay, next one is proper. Proper is a function where it will give the first letter of a word as a capital letter. Okay, so first letter of each word it will give as a capital letter. So for this we have to use equal sign first, then equal, then proper. So proper is a function, we have to use the text. This is my text, then enter. See, the first character, first alphabet is given as a capital letter. Okay, then I have to drag it. See here, all the word, see here, Avi, Rai. So Rai is a different word. This will also given as a first alphabet as a capital letter. Okay, next one is length. Length means it will give the total length of a word. Okay, and one more thing is there, it will also calculate space as a length. Okay, so for this first we have to give the formula as equal, then length, then you have to select the text. This is the proper text, and then enter. See here, it will give the 8. Why 8? Because see, RAJJAIN. There is actually 7 letters, but it will take space as a character. So it will give you 8 as a total length. Okay, and then drag the whole. See here, it will give all the length of the student, means name of the student. Okay, so this is all about the basic function, trim, upper, lower, proper length of a MS Excel. Okay, next one I am giving the advanced text function. Some advanced text function are there: left, right, mid, then concatenate, find and replace. Okay, so I have written 2 name is there, computer, and again and another cell I have written as science. Okay, so 2 text has given here. Okay, so first I want to use the first text function, left. Left means it will give the leftmost alphabet of a text, but if I give some number, means how much text you want from the left hand side, then it will give the proper way. Okay, it will give the result according your need. So equal, I have to use equal, then left. Okay, now see text. I have to given the text here, so I am selecting this text, computer, and then number of character, means from how many character you want from the left hand side. So I want here number of characters, say 3 character I want. Okay, then enter. So see, it will give you com, com. From the left hand side, it will give you 3 character from the left hand side, that is com. The same way we have to use here right hand side, how many character you have to write here. So first equal, then write, then text, I have to use the text, this one, com, then how many characters, say I want 2 character here. See here, ER. Okay, it has given you ER as a right hand side character. Okay, next middle, I want the letter from the middle one. So first it will give you equal, then mid, then text, I have to choose the text here, then start number, from which number you want to display your middle character. So I am selecting 3. Number of character, how many number of character you want? I want 2. Enter. So see here, MP. Because why MP? Because mid function is used. H14 means our this one is our H14 means our text is there, and then 3 means from which position you want the letter. So I have given a 3rd position. 3rd position means M is the 3rd position, and how many character you want? 2 character. That's why MP is there. Okay. Next one is concatenate. Concatenate means joining of some text. Okay, joining. Concatenate means actually join. So for concatenate, I have to use the 2 text here, computer and science. So see my formula, equal, then concatenate. Okay, and then text 1 I have given here, first text computer, and then second text as science. Okay, so there are lots of text also you can join here. I am giving only 2 text here, and then enter. So see here, it is given as a computer science. Okay, joining of computer science, but I want a space between the 2 word. Okay, so for this, if you want the space, because computer science is showing you as a joining character. Okay, but I want the space between computer and science, so I have to give here again same formula, concatenate, and then text 1 I am selecting this. Then I have to given one thing here, comma, then double inverted comma, then space, again double inverted comma. Why I am giving you space? Because I want the space here, but double quotation symbol is used for space here, because space is taken as a character. So when you use some character, you have to give the double inverted comma. That's why I have also given here double inverted comma. And then my second space means second text. Okay, Okay, and then enter. See here, computer science. So here one space is showing. Okay, so next one is find. Find means from a text it will give some particular means alphabet. You want some particular alphabet from a given text, then you want some find, you want to search something, then you have to use the function find. So for this you have to use equal then function as a find function. Now find text. Okay, so which text you want, you have to give the find text, this one, within text. Okay, so which text you want. So also you can do this, you want to do find text. For this you can use first which text you want. Okay, so first you can give here find text, which text you want. From computer science, for example, I want P. Okay, so P, so for written P, so you have to give here double quotation. Okay, then write here P. Okay, so I am writing here P, then again double quotation, because P you have to write as a double within a double quotation because P is a character. Okay, so after this start number. So first one is P, I want the P. Next one is I want the from which text you want, from within which text. So my text is this one, computer. Okay, or I can select this one, computer. Okay, then comma, then start number. Okay, so I can give the start number from 2, say 2, then enter. So find. So from where it will give I want P, so it will give the position of the start number. So first I have given which one, P, from the which text, from the text is this one, so it will give you position. Okay, so P is in the 4th position. Next one is replace. So replace is equal, replace, it will give it, we can replace some character means some alphabet from your text. So I have to use the text here. So whole text, then start number, then number of character, then new text. So my old text is this one. Okay, start number is, say my start number is 3. Okay, number of character, how many character you want to replace. Say for my character is 3 character I want to replace. Okay, and then my new text. Okay, so which text you want to replace. Say for example I want the text within inverted comma, say A B. Okay, then double inverted comma, then enter. So see here AAB is there, because why AAB, because H14 is the text. Okay, so I want the replacing text from the 3rd number 3. Okay, so here it will display, it will change the number from the 3rd one, say CO, then 3rd position, from 3rd position it will replace the text. So how many character you want? 3 character, that's why it will replace the 3 character. And what is the character? AAB. So see here AAB. So my ultimately my code is COAABTER. Okay, so this is all about the text function of MS Excel. Okay, so if you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Thank you.